So today we will be proving a result that is prove that the Poisson distribution is a limiting case of a binomial distribution under certain conditions. So that conditions are when n tends to infinity, p tends to 0 and np is equal to lambda, where lambda is a finite quantity. Okay, so the proof, let's begin with limit n tends to infinity p of x. Now you know that x is a binomial distribution. Since x is a binomial distribution, what is the p of x or density function of x? Yes, ncx q raised to p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Okay, so this is one result that you have to keep in mind. Also, you have to know that q is equal to 1 minus p, and again ncx is equal to n factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial. So these three things you just keep in your mind. Fine. Now let's start. Limit n tends to infinity p of x. So instead of this, I can write limit n tends to infinity ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Okay, now what I'm going to do in the next step is limit n tends to infinity. Instead of ncx, I'm going to write it as n factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial. P raised to, instead of p, here it is given that np is equal to lambda. So instead of p, I am going to write lambda by n the whole raised to x, and 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to n minus x. Okay, then next step, limit n tends to infinity. I am going to expand this term. So when I expand, I get n into n minus 1 etc. n minus x minus 1 into n minus x factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial. So I hope you got the numerator, right? Then multiplied by lambda by n the whole raised to x into 1 minus lambda by n minus x. Okay, now here I am going to cancel these two terms. Now finally what I get is limit n tends to infinity n into n minus 1 etc. n minus x minus 1. Okay, the whole divided by x factorial, lambda by n the whole raised to x, and 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to n minus x. So this is what we got right now. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take, see here if you consider this numerator, this part, you know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to x terms. You have x terms. So in that x terms you have a common factor, this n. So I am going to take this n from each term outside. So I get there n raised to x. Okay, I will show you that in detail. So here I am going to take this n outside. So let's see, limit n tends to infinity. In the numerator, when I take n outside, what will I get? I get x n terms, so that is n raised to x. Then in the brackets it is nothing but 1 minus 1 by n etc. up to x minus 1 by n. So here we get 1 minus x minus 1 by n, lambda raised to x divided by n raised to x. This term I just wrote it like this, and then multiplied by 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to n minus x. Okay, now here there is an x factorial over here. Now this implies yeah, now here you can see that this n raised to x and this is common, so I just cancel this out. Okay, and then what I get is, okay, now when I apply this limit to this particular term, if I apply the limit, this term becomes 1. So I get 1 multiplied by, here I am going to take lambda raised to x divided by x factorial outside, limit n tends to infinity. What is remaining? Just see what is remaining, 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to n minus x. Now this implies lambda raised to x by x factorial. Limit n tends to infinity, I am going to split this one. So n tends to infinity, 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to n multiplied by limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus lambda by n the whole raised to minus x, which implies lambda raised to x by x factorial. And now this term becomes 1, e raised to minus lambda, and this one will become 1. So finally you will get the answer lambda raised to x by x factorial e raised to minus lambda. Now what is this? This is the density function of a Poisson distribution. So you just see from where we started. Yeah, we started off from binomial distribution with these conditions. Where we arrived, you just look. Yes, we arrived at the Poisson distribution. So that is why we say that Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution.